Hello and welcome to EnglishWave. And welcome to this gentle English listening and speaking practice session. I'm Jack, and today we're going to use a simple method called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence, then repeat it right after me. This helps improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence in speaking English. It's perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. We'll go at a slow, calm pace, so you can follow easily. No rush at all. If you're ready, find a quiet spot, relax, and let's begin. You can pause the video anytime if you need more time to repeat. First, I'll explain how we'll practice today. We'll have short, everyday conversations. I'll read each sentence slowly and clearly. Step 1. Just listen the first time. Step 2. Then listen again and repeat after me. Try to copy my words, speed, and tone. We'll do this a few times for each part. We'll cover 4 simple topics: greetings, talking about the weather, ordering coffee, and daily routines. Okay, great. Let's start with the first one. Topic 1. Greetings and introductions. Jack, here's a short conversation between 2 friends meeting. First, just listen. Anna, hi Sarah. How are you today? Sarah, hi Anna. I'm good, thank you. And you? Anna, I'm fine, thanks. It's nice to see you. Sarah, you too. Have a great day. Jack, now let's listen to the whole conversation once more and try to shadow along with me without stopping. Hi Sarah. How are you today? Hi Anna. I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thanks. It's nice to see you. You too. Have a great day. Jack, wonderful. Feel free to replay this part and practice more. Topic 2. Talking about the weather. Jack, weather is a common topic in everyday chats. Listen first. Mike, hello. The weather is nice today, isn't it? Lisa, yes, it's sunny and warm. I like it. Mike, me too. Better than rain. Lisa, true. See you later. Jack, now shadowing line by line. Hello, the weather is nice today, isn't it? Yes, it's sunny and warm. I like it. Me too. Better than rain. True. See you later. Jack, you're doing great. Keep going at your own pace. Topic 3. Ordering coffee at a cafe. Jack, this is useful for real life. Listen first. Customer, good morning. Can I have a coffee, please? Barista, sure. What size? Small, medium, or large? Customer, medium, please. With milk. Barista, okay. That's $3. Here you go. Customer, thank you. Have a nice day. Jack, now line by line. Good morning. Can I have a coffee, please? Sure. What size? Small, medium, or large? Medium, please. With milk. Okay. That's $3. Here you go. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jack, nice work. These simple phrases can help in daily situations. Topic 4. Talking about your daily routine. Jack, a short chat about the day. Tom, what do you do every morning? Emma, I wake up at 7, eat breakfast, and go for a walk. Tom, that sounds healthy. I drink coffee and read the news. Emma, good idea. Talk soon. Jack, now shadow. What do you do every morning? I wake up at 7, eat breakfast, and go for a walk. That sounds healthy. I drink coffee and read the news. Good idea. Talk soon. Jack, now full. What do you do every morning? I wake up at 7, eat breakfast, and go for a walk. That sounds healthy. I drink coffee and read the news. Good idea. Talk soon. Conclusion. Jack, well done. You've practiced some useful everyday English today. Remember, practice a little every day, and you'll notice your listening and speaking getting better over time. Be patient with yourself, that's the key. If you enjoyed this, try replaying the video and shadowing again. Or practice with a friend. Thank you for learning with EnglishWave. Subscribe for more short and powerful English lessons every week. See you in the next video.